Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last time I shared with you guys my NailTECH nail polish haul, and in today's video, I'll be swatching 5 shades. I'll be swatching the other polishes in part 2, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Okay, so before every swatch, I'm applying a peel-off nail mask. First shade I'm swatching is 01. Now I'm applying the second coat. It still appears to be uneven, therefore I'll be applying a third coat. One is a pretty powder pink shade. Next I'm swatching is 16. Now for the second coat. Sixteen is a nice bluish green shade. Next I'm swatching is 20. Now for the second coat. Has a red-orange shade that looks super vibrant. Next I'm swatching is 35. Now I'm applying a second coat. This shade has a jelly finish, therefore I'm applying a third coat to make it more opaque. .35 has a gummy purple shade. And the last nail polish to swatch for today is 71. Before applying this shade, I'm applying 2 coats of white nail polish first, because the shade 71 has a neon color. Now I'm applying the second coat. Now here are all of my swatches. Now let's try these nail polishes in stamping. Here are all of them on a white lint roller. As you can see, all of their pickups are quite good. All of them transferred beautifully. But the thing is, it's not that opaque. And it's not that visible in black or white backgrounds. As some of you guys might remember, one-coater nail polishes are best in stamping, and these are not opaque within 2 to 3 coats, therefore it's kinda sheer when using it on a stamping plate. Bought these NailTECH polishes on Shopee. The price of the nail polishes ranges to 55 to 60 pesos each. The nail polishes are fast drying. They're quite good in application and I'm loving their bottles. Their shade names are in numbers. NailTECH polishes are in 15 ml bottles. Part 2 of my swatch and review for NailTECH polishes will be posted soon, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!